I am so excited to see my little seedlings for my onions coming up already. I just planted them last weekend, and now this weekend they're already sprouting. I have Ailsa Craig, which are large yellow onions, and this year I'm trying Patterson Hybrid. It seems like the Ailsa Craig seems to be sprouting a lot faster. We'll see how they grow. I have these empty pots on the side here that I will be filling later with leeks. At the moment I have my little seedlings near the windowsill to start because the grow lights that I bought have a pink hue and it's really harsh on the eyes. And because of that, I had to buy a black shower curtain, it's cloth, to go across around the shelving because it's so harsh on the eyes. It actually hurts my eyes. And when I had cataracts, I would come out of here and I couldn't see anything but green because I had brown amber cataracts. I used this black curtain around it. But that will cause troubles with dampening off with too much moisture in here. So I'm waiting until they're stronger before I put them under the lights. And when I'm in my grow room, the grow light on, and I wear these dark glasses. I think in the future I may have to replace those lights because those pink hued lights, as they said, had, the blue lights that your plants love. Well, they're too harsh on the eyes and I'm going to have to replace them in the future, but I can't do it right now. They're not that old.